Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do a little experiment with Walmart. I am gonna go on a hunt for best beauty products under $15 at Walmart. I am confident in my abilities. I'm confident with my sense of direction. I don't know how this has anything to do with this challenge. Either way, going in. Thank you Walmart so much for sponsoring this video. Hey Walmart, I'm coming. Hey Walmart, I'm coming. So first I'm looking for body lotion. Positively radiant. 5 factors of radiance. We want a radiant. I'm not gonna be selfish today and get something for Gary because he asked me for 4 weeks already to get him a razor. So you see Gary, I'm listening. Yeah, girl, yes. This for some reason is taking much faster than I anticipated. Okay, so now can we go to the beauty products because that's what I'm here for. Okay, next one is Cetaphil. So this is the one that Gary uses for his skincare. Okay, I wasn't planning to get a dry shampoo, but look at this price. Huh? I didn't even know they have a dry shampoo, so I'm excited. There's a lot of different ones to choose from, but I'm gonna go for the invisible one because I don't want any white marks on my hair. Done. Now I'm gonna go get sunscreen because we are spending a lot of time at our friends' pools on the weekends, which is awesome. I want something for the face. You got me at Hydro Boost. I'm gonna try this one. Okay, next. I'm gonna grab a really cool, fun color. This is also what holds me at stores for so long because I can never find a color I want. Oh, this looks cute. This will work really nicely, I feel, for my toes. Now, let's see what other things we can find. I'm happy the challenge is not finding a bunch of products that the total would be $15 because I would fail. Okay, I got all the beauty products and I know, oh, I love Dr. Seuss. Green eggs and ham we have, Dr. Seuss ABC we have, One Fish we have, Fox and Socks we have. Oh my butterfly. Cute. Okay, Valeria, go, go. Oh, I do want some design magazines. Celine Dion, yay! Okay, let's go. Enough. I did it! And I didn't only buy for myself. I bought some for Gary as well and for the kids. I feel very, very accomplished. A little haul is coming your way. Oh man, I love Walmart. I live so close to one. I think actually I live close to like 3. And I see people when I go to Walmart. So it's like I'm being friendly and I'm getting my stuff that I need. For me, Walmart is like my one-stop shop because I literally buy books, makeup, skincare, groceries, whatever it is that I need. I go and I get everything. Everything is affordable. And the reason why I love them the most is because they have a really good return policy, which is 90 days. For beauty stuff, I mean, I'm always out there looking for new products, especially affordable ones to recommend you guys and to try out. That's kind of where I go to do a little market research and try things out. I'm gonna show you guys what I bought, my little haul. Okay, so first things first that I got is this Essie Let It Glow nail polish. I was looking for something a little more colorful for my toes for our next vacation. I usually, when I go on vacation, I'll keep it like basic on the hands so it's not gonna distract me from like whatever I'm wearing. Because you know when sometimes like you do really colorful nails, like neon nails, and then you put this like really elegant outfit, it just like doesn't work. So I usually go a little crazier on the toes. The next thing is this Neutrogena Hydro Boost. It's water gel sunscreen. I love testing different sunscreens and seeing how they work. I'm all about hydration. Doesn't clog pores and it's not greasy and it goes on really nicely. So I wanted to try it out. The next thing is Cetaphil. This has been like a favorite in our household, gentle skin cleanser. This is what Gary uses. Then I got this Aveeno Positively Radiant body lotion. I use Aveeno for my kids for body lotion, so I was curious to try this one. I've never tried it. This is something that I'm also trying out, Dove Invisible Dry Shampoo. First of all, I didn't know that Dove has dry shampoo, which is really awesome, but I was really curious to see how it works. I got the invisible one. Refreshes hair without visible residue. We will see about that. Okay, I'm gonna report back about this one. This was $2.97. If this works, I'll be very happy. The next thing that I got is this, again, favorite cult product, Voluminous Carbon Black L'Oreal Paris Mascara. This I've been using on and off for so long, and it's honestly just the best affordable mascara that does a good job with just giving that volume. And then I got this Bioderma Micellar water. I use this so much and I love it so much, and I love the fact that Walmart carries it. I clean my brushes. I also clean off makeup and then wash. By the way, don't forget that if you use micellar water to clean your makeup off, you have to cleanse after. Don't leave micellar water on your skin. It's something that I've learned like 6 months ago. Oh, Gary. I got Gary this Gillette Skin Guard razor because he asked me for it a few months ago, and I just remembered. You're welcome, Gary. I can't wait for the products that I took to test. I can't wait to tell you more about those and other cold products that I've been using for years. What are your favorite products? Because you know that when you go there, you never leave with one thing. There's just too much goodness. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Thank you, beauty, so much for watching the Walmart video. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell. And if you'd like to watch the 11 drugstore dupes for luxury makeup, check it over here.